Let's be real, who doesn't want glowing skin and shiny, healthy hair? I mean, we're all chasing that perfect, radiant glow, right? But here's the thing, what if I told you the secret to glowing skin and hair growth isn't a fancy cream or a salon treatment, but something you can sip on every day? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because in today's video, I'm about to share 4 amazing juices that'll give your skin that glow and your hair the growth it's been begging for. Ready to glow from the inside out? Let's dive in. 1 carrot and orange juice. Let's start with the carrot and orange glow booster, a perfect blend to kickstart your morning and nourish your skin. Carrots are a powerhouse of beta-carotene, which not only promotes skin health, but also helps reduce dryness, leaving your skin soft and radiant. Pair that with oranges, rich in vitamin C, and you've got a combination that supports collagen production, giving your skin a natural glow. Making this juice is super simple. Just peel and chop a couple of carrots and a juicy orange. Toss them into a blender, add a dash of lemon juice for a zesty kick, and, if you're feeling adventurous, a little ginger for extra warmth. Blend everything together with some water until it's smooth, then strain if you prefer a clearer juice. This bright, vibrant drink is best enjoyed in the morning, giving you a refreshing vitamin boost to start your day. It's like sunshine in a glass, perfect for glowing skin and a great mood. 2. Green detox juice. This is a refreshing drink that's great for your skin and hair. It's made with spinach, cucumber, green apple, and a squeeze of lime. Spinach is full of iron and antioxidants, which help with healthy hair growth. Cucumber keeps your skin hydrated and calm, while the green apple adds a natural sweetness and even more healthy nutrients. Making it is simple. Add some spinach, a few slices of cucumber, a chopped green apple, and a squeeze of lime into a blender. Blend everything until it's smooth. If you like a lighter texture, you can strain it or drink it as is for extra fiber. This juice is perfect for the middle of the day when you need a little boost. It's fresh, tasty, and helps you feel good inside and out. 3. Beetroot juice. The beetroot radiance drink is a beautiful, rich juice that helps your skin glow and keeps you feeling energized. Beetroot is the star here. It improves blood circulation, which gives your skin a healthy, natural shine. Carrots pair perfectly with beetroot, adding even more goodness for your skin. A small piece of ginger adds warmth and helps reduce inflammation, while a little honey brings a touch of natural sweetness. Making this juice is simple. Peel and chop a beetroot and a carrot, then add them to a blender along with a small piece of ginger. Blend everything until smooth, and if you prefer a silky texture, you can strain it. Add a little honey to taste, and your juice is ready. This drink is great to enjoy before a workout. It gives you energy and keeps your skin glowing while making you feel refreshed. Plus, its bright color makes it as fun to look at as it is to drink. 4. Coconut juice. The tropical coconut hydration juice is a refreshing drink that's perfect for keeping your skin and hair healthy, especially in the summer. Coconut water is super hydrating and helps flush out toxins from your body. Pineapple adds a sweet, tropical flavor and contains bromelain, which helps fight acne and keeps your skin clear. Mint leaves give the drink a cooling, refreshing touch that's perfect for hot days. It's really easy to make. Start by adding some fresh coconut water, a handful of pineapple chunks, and a few mint leaves to your blender. Blend it all together until smooth, then pour it into a glass with some ice to keep it nice and chilled. This juice is a delicious way to stay hydrated and give your skin and hair the love they deserve. It's light, tasty, and feels like a tropical getaway in a glass. To get the best results from these juices, it's important to make them a regular part of your routine. Consistency is key. Try to include at least one of these juices in your day to keep your skin and hair looking their best. Remember, these juices work even better when paired with a balanced diet. Eat plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, and drink lots of water to stay hydrated. Proper hydration helps your body absorb all the nutrients and keeps your skin glowing. Also, think of these juices as just one part of your overall care routine. Combine them with good skincare habits, like cleansing and moisturizing, and proper hair care, like regular oiling and gentle washing. When you take care of your body inside and out, you'll see amazing results. If you're ready to glow up and boost your hair game, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. We've got a ton more tips, tricks, and healthy living hacks coming your way, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. And hey, if you're loving what you're hearing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below. I'd love to know which juice you're most excited to try.